critical to go in with a game plan. You think Olympians and Paralympians go in with no game plan? Everybody wants to win the medal, but if you don't even have a game plan to get there, you don't have a game plan for even being here, just come to meet your friends. Is that the winning mindset that you want? What is your game plan for success?
I thought it was very motivating. I really liked it. I liked hearing about how he overcame the challenges because everyone takes a different approach. And for me, it's just something I can add to my arsenal, so in the future I can say, you know, how did John Register do it whenever I run into an obstacle?
Sometimes it's very difficult to recognize the patterns of the winning mindset. What are those winning mindset patterns? I didn't overcome what you think I overcame. Because for me, what I overcame was my negative stigma. What I overcame was a negative speak of others. Other people choosing to say for me what I could or could not do based upon what they believe they could or could not do if they were the amputee.
So inspirational, and he's real. He's just so real. His ability not just to inspire, but he also had a workshop with us where we could practice new skills, have some more insight about ourselves to identify what we're going to take away and really set goals for what we're going to do after we leave this event.
Inspiration truly is the catalyst to motivation. That motivation in turn causes us to have action, and those actions lead us to transformational results. Those transformational results re-inspire us to allow someone else that's watching the process to truly catch the vision.
I would say clearly you want to book John because that's a huge opportunity. It's a mental model people can relate to. It's a great experience to go through the presentation with John, but there's also an opportunity to take action.
So it's amazing, you know, people came away very inspired, humbled in some ways, right? But I think that really great thing is people came away excited and of course honored to have John here with us today.
What is it that we need to release? What is it we need to get rid of? What is it that we need to push away? What is it that we need to amputate to create our new normal?